This is an advertisement.
Hi, I'm Piper Curta, voice of Mabel, and I'm here with...
Me, I'm Bobby Moynihan, voice of King George.
We are so excited to play This Into This Animal Edition.
Yes, this into this.
We take this and put it into this.
All right, ready?
Yeah. It's a keystone species.
A keystone species.
They're quite often in animated movies voiced by really cool people.
Is it a beaver?
Yeah.
This is a cold-blooded creature.
Okay, lizard.
Correct.
Oh, this is my favorite animal.
Oh, a corgi?
Oh, no, okay, I did say that. Like in the animal world.
In the animal world. Oh, it's a bear.
There
I
we
know
go.
this about you.
Yeah.
This is a beautiful creature.
Okay.
A creature of flight. Of the insect world, not of the
Oh,
easy
mosquito.
Nope.
Butterfly.
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 The beaver is right.
This animal is really funny. Got started around 2008. No fun to work with.
North American river cricket. It's me.
Exactly. How did you know?
I knew it.
Let's hear it for Mabel, everyone.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Nat Geo.
Disney and Pixar's new movie Hoppers is now in theaters.